Hi guys, so welcome to the voiceover. So I'm going to be using hazelnut and ebony brown, and this is going to be my foundation color. I'm mixing the two because I don't have my color in black opal. This is the black opal foundation that I am using. The first color I used was ebony brown, and then I used hazelnut, and now I'm just mixing the two, just buffing it in with my flat top brush. I love black opal foundations. I love their stick foundations. I don't know if this is a new form. Well, I don't know of their new formula, but this one I've got me trying to push down my nosing with my brush. Silly girl. But yeah, so this is my number 13 highlight, and I'll be from Juvia's Place, and I'll be using that to do my highlight and the ebony brown to do my low light. Actually, as I was saying, I love black opal foundation sticks. Well, these ones, I think they're absolutely phenomenal. They're extremely creamy, they go on really smooth, and look at that, it just goes so nicely with my skin. I mean, it works, and I'm just in love. So I basically use all of this to do my base, basically my foundation, and I just use the number 13 from Juvia's Place because it was just right there. Oh, this beauty blender is actually from Morphe, and I do not like it. It is kind of stiff, and I don't like that in my beauty blenders. I'm not like the beauty blender, as in the original one, is the best beauty blender I've ever used. That's number one. Number two is definitely Fenty. Number three would have to be KKW, and then this would be probably number 4 or 5, along with the Real Techniques. The Real Techniques beauty blender is just it's too soft, as in it too, what's it, yeah, it's too soft, so it mash up easy, as I wash it, it tear, it's not durable. It's not durable. It's not as durable. Right, so I'm going to be taking my LA Pro Primer in black as usual, and I'm just going to be blending that out because I don't want when I put the eyeshadow on top of it, it look blotchy and crabby. So I'm going in with my Irie palette from Yardie Cosmetics, and this palette is the only palette I carried with me when I went to Florida. And let me tell you, boo boo, I did so many. Well, no, I carried 2 eyeshadow palettes, and this is the only one that I used. I did so many looks with this one palette, and I wanted to show the versatility with this. So this look can be worn, date, night, or whatever. I was telling you guys that I use this look. I got different colors from this palette. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting on like a white base. Then I'm going to be using the red, and then the yellow, and then that would create like a little orangish, yellowish kind of a look. I love it. I love how this entire look came out. This is what I'm putting on now. Again, is my LA Pro Primer in black. I love this thing. I have it in my kit, as in my makeup artist kit, and I have 2 for myself because I'm always running out, and sometimes like the beauty supply store don't have it. So what I do, of course, line my eyes, blended it out, then I'm just going on top with the red, the same that I used for the very first color to go on my lid. That's the red that I'm using. I'm just patting it on rather than sweeping it on, because sweeping it on just gives like a wash of color, but when you pat it on, you get more of a color payoff when you pat it on. So now I'm going to be taking the black, and I'm going to be going over on top of my eyes right there. Yeah, because I felt like I was losing the black a little bit, and I wanted the depth to be on my lower lash line, so I'm just adding the black there for some depth. So this is my LA Pro Primer in, is it white or nude? Yeah, it's white. My LA Pro Primer in white. And I'm going to blend that out using the same brush I used to do my eyebrows. And this is what I'm talking about when I say I'm going to be mixing the colors. I love how it came out. It looks really nice. The yellow looks I don't know, they have a little look to it. I mean, they like how they look. So I went in with the red at first, and then after the red, then I applied the yellow on top of it. That's what I did, to give like just a little bit of a difference. I love how it look actually. So after I apply the yellow right over the white base that I laid, I'm just going to go and apply it in my happy area where there is no color at all, just to have like a nice smooth yellowy transition. So that's what my face is looking like. This is Gabrielle's Cosmetics Metallic Eyes, and these are actually eyeshadows that I'm going to be using for my glow. And for my lips, I used literally from Kylie Cosmetics, and the blush, I actually went back into my area palette and I used the eyeshadow as a blush. But this palette I've been using for my glow. Have I used it for eyeshadow? No, you know, I have not used it for eyeshadow. I've been using it for my glow since I got this. I got this from GlamCon. We were leaving and they just gave us one. I'm like, oh, okay, thank you. So yeah, look at my contour. Ooh, yes ma'am. Yes ma'am, see? Right, so I love how it looks. It looks really nice. This is what I'm talking about. I love when I can use eyeshadows for different things. And my thing is, I don't want to be dipping into like grabbing another palette, because you know, not everybody have like, you know, a bunch of palettes. Sometimes I only have one, and I like doing looks that shows the versatility of that one palette. And I actually went in with the yellow as well to give it a little mix so that it has a little bit of an orange look. I love this palette. I'm head over heels for this palette. But this is the finished look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. As I say, I'm wearing Kylie Cosmetics literally. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Thank you again for your support, and thank you for your patience with me, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Oh, don't forget to subscribe.
Big up me real friend, when you pretend. Who know me love life and don't want to see 10. Who did they for me have me 33 10, and still they both know when me have me Z10. Big up me real friend, when you pretend. Who not call me name to the police them. Who did they for me have me 33 10, and still they both know when me have me Z10. Hey, they make me feel say I'm me bro them. You woulda think say I'm my mother grow them. Can't